We're staying on the theme of tropical today, and today we're going to make a mango Mai Tai. This cocktail's got a decent amount of things going on. To start off, we're going to do 0.25 ounces of Grenadine with some color. We're going to use half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, half an ounce of Orgeat, half an ounce of Orange Liqueur, an ounce and a half of, oh my goodness, mango nectar. I apparently need to start working out my hands or something. Get out of there. Okay. All right. And then 1 ounce of dark rum. It's a very awkward bottle. And then 1 ounce of white rum. Gorgeous. Now that we have everything in our shaker tin, we are going to add ice. Ooh. All right. And then we're going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hands. We're going to use a Collins glass with this one. I would say fill it with ice about halfway. So my Collins glasses are a little bit skinnier. So I kind of fight with like how much ice to put in it. Unless I want to overflow my glass. No, I can't overflow. That's alcohol abuse. All right. We are going to double strain thanks to that lime juice. Oh, look at the color. It's pretty.
Aziz, more ice.
Aziz.
Ice.
I don't know if we're like dating ourselves when we use that. Just FYI.
Aziz, light. What movie is it?
We're not going there.
What movie is it?
Fifth Element.
Good job.
Why do you assume that I don't know that?
You get a gold star.
Oh my goodness. Okay. So I did go ahead and I added just one more ice cube in there just to... I touched it with the nail.
I'm not drinking that now.
Good. It's for me. For our garnish, I have a gorgeous, I mean, honestly, look at that. That's just utter perfection. Lime twist. And there we have our mango Mai Tai. As always, I am going to taste. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm going to rate it. So 1, I have 1 cocktail, move on to the next. 5 is I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. Let's see where she falls. Obviously, I smell a decent amount of lime just from the garnish, but I do smell the mango as well. Oh, yummy. Okay. This is definitely a sweeter cocktail. I would almost say maybe dial back the mango by like half an ounce and just do 1 ounce instead of 1.5 ounces. But the mango flavor is gorgeous. It is absolutely to die for. You don't get a ton of the rum, but you get just enough to know that there is some in the cocktail. It's still very light. It's not like heavy or syrupy in any way. It still has a nice like mouth feel to it. So for me, I'd probably have to go with a 3 out of 5. Again, delicious cocktail. I would drink this. I just think after 1 or 2, you may get a little sweet for me in particular. I'm going to guess most people as well. But like I said, I think if you dialed back the mango nectar even just a half an ounce, I think it would make it a little less sweet. and make it a little bit easier to drink, but still get that gorgeous flavor that you're looking for. Of course, try making this at home. Ingredients are going to be listed down below, and that way you can make it at home. And then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next pour. Cheers.